Alright, so quick mail time today. We only have two packages, which shouldn't take very long. This one is gonna be pretty dope. I've been waiting for this for literally 3 months to come in. But yeah, I'm pretty excited for this. You guys will see. It's some pretty good news. So stay tuned. That is coming up next.
Then you're left in the dust unless I stuck by you. You're a sunflower. I think your love would be too much.
Aloha YouTube, what is up? Untitled Boy here, coming at you once again with another mail time episode. We only got 2 packages here today. One's super small, and then this one we've been waiting on for like 3 months. Yeah, I'm not even joking. It's literally taken 3 months to get here, which was kind of irritating, but it's here now, so I'm pretty stoked. Gonna open it up for you guys and let you guys know what's going on with this one. But first, let's open up this one. Before we get into it though, if you guys have not already, be sure to subscribe down below. Give this video a like if you guys do like the content that I create on this channel. And as always, be sure to hit that notification bell if you guys want to join the Untitled Ohana. Definitely want you guys part of that Ohana, man. Comment down below. I usually answer all of the Ohana's comments that get through here like within the first couple hours or so. So come through early and then yeah, ask your questions and stuff down there. Anyway, let's open this one up. This one is from Supreme. Alright, I think we made it through. So we have a Supreme bag right here. I like how they give a bag for like literally everything. When you guys see this item, it's like, it's so small that it doesn't really need a bag. Oh, what is this? Interesting. So I guess we got a Supreme Gross button. I'm not sure what that means. But yeah, this fall winter 18, I didn't order this. I guess this is one of the freebies they've been giving. That's pretty weird. Also, you got your 2 standard box logo Supreme stickers, so that's cool. The real item that we got is in this bag right here. And as you guys can see, this is actually the Supreme headband that came out maybe like 2 weeks ago now. It is a new era headband, so that makes it kind of cool. But honestly, it's just a headband, man. There's nothing special about it other than the fact that it says Supreme running across the front. And yeah, these actually go for kind of a lot of money. I think they retailed for like 30 bucks or something like that, which is super expensive for a headband, man. That's crazy. But they're reselling for about like $90 to $100. And honestly, if you hold these, they'll go up over time because the ones from last season are like way over 100 bucks now. So kind of crazy. It's just the headband. Like, yeah, I don't know. I might keep it. We'll see. I don't know. We'll see. Maybe it's a gym headband or something. When you go running, I don't know. Anyway, so like I was saying though, this is the real prize of the mail time. I'm not gonna say too much about it. I do just want to open it up. Just take a look with me on camera what it is. After I unbox it, I'll go into more detail of what's going on with this box and what's gonna be happening in the next few weeks for me and this channel. So yeah, let's check it out. Okay, here we go. So as you guys can see right here, we have boxes from Complexcon, man. Complexcon, if you guys don't know what Complexcon is, it's a convention run by Complex, obviously. Complex being that huge business that just does all of that cool stuff. They do the First Week Feast stuff, they do a whole bunch of sneaker shopping with Joe LaPuma. They have had this convention for I think 3 years now. Partnered by Pharrell and also by Takashi Murakami. So it's a really cool event and it's basically the convention for hypebeasts. There's a whole bunch of shoes there, there's a whole bunch of clothing there, a whole bunch of big name figures in the industry. Virgil's gonna be speaking over there, Jaden Smith's gonna be there. There's a lot of big guys over there, guys. So I got really excited. I really wanted to go the last couple years. So to be able to go this year was really cool for me. We did end up getting VIP tickets, which is kind of dope. So if you guys want to look at what's in this Complexcon box, packaging obviously is really, really nice. Like you can check that out right there. Sleek design. Open it up over here, shows Complexcon over the top, and I guess it just shows you what the area and stuff is gonna look like, so that's kind of cool. It is gonna be held in Long Beach, California, so obviously being in Hawaii, I do have to fly up. So that's where my problem comes in, and I want you guys to try to help me out with that. If you guys are from the West Coast, what are some of the sneaker shops I should hit up in LA? I know Melrose obviously has like majority of the shops. You have the big ones like Round 2, Riff, things like that. But beyond that, I'm not really sure which of the smaller ones or the more obscure ones are like worth taking a look at, you know? So let me know in the comments below if you guys are from LA, from California, just kind of know the area in general, because yeah, I'm kind of lost with that. There's a lot of shops. It's not like Hawaii where we basically only have Truist and that's it. Let me know. I want to know. I want to check them out. I want to see what there is to offer on the West Coast. Anyway, back to the box over here. You can see over here we got a Complexcon sticker, another Complexcon sticker right here. 1 free sando on us. Okay, this is cool. I guess we get a free sandwich. Is that what a sando is? A sandwich from Howlin' Rays. So they also have like a huge like food court kind of thing where they have like 50 something different vendors, which I don't know why they hype that so much. But yeah, it's one of the things that they're really like hyping up. So I guess there's good food there. You can't eat at all 50 shops obviously, so it's cool. We got free food. Over here, you can see we got a pop socket. So apparently these go on the back of like iPhones and stuff. Yeah, I guess I can throw this back on over here. Is it just to hold it? Is that really all you're doing with it, is just holding it? It looks like we have like special pins for the events, which again, this is a VIP box, so I'm not sure if they're selling these things at the convention. I think it's actually only if you get the VIP tickets, which is kind of cool. It makes it a little bit more premium. You have like this pins right here, and another pin right here, and these are all like Takashi Murakami kind of designs on them. You can see right there. Oh, nice. So this is actually an exclusive Complexcon bear brick, which you guys can see right there. So it says Complexcon running over the front of the bear brick, and then also again on the back. So this one is the 100%, which is a lot smaller than that 1000% you guys see in the back of every video. But still pretty cool. I mean, this is the only way you can get this bear brick. So if you guys are collectors and stuff and you need this, you got to find somebody that bought a VIP pass in order to get this one. So also kind of nice. Last thing, of course, is the band, VIP band. You can see right there, VIP. This is really dope. I really like the presentation for this stuff, and honestly, it should be a really cool event, guys. Like, I'm really excited for it, and I'm really excited to see what they have to offer over there in terms of like exclusive drops and stuff like that. Last year, they had a whole bunch of shoes that were like exclusive to Complexcon. Like, I think this one of the ones that I saw that was being hyped up was a Jordan 1 featured with the Union Los Angeles. So obviously being a Jordan 1 person, you guys can see all the shoes in the back. I do want to try to take my stab at that, but beyond that, it doesn't look like there's too many exclusives. So over the past couple months from when I ordered these things back in freaking July, it doesn't seem like there's a lot of stuff that I'm really like hyped for, which is kind of depressing, man. It's really depressing, actually. Like, the music numbers aren't that great. I mean, I don't know, it's like people that I listen to but not really, you know. Hopefully, I'm hoping like people like Jaden and stuff, since they're gonna be talking there, is gonna perform. I don't know, man. It's kind of weird. I'm hoping that there's gonna be like more special guests or whatever coming up down the road, but for now, it's pretty meh for me compared to last year's event. But we'll see. Hopefully it picks up. There might be a lot of good drops, like I'm saying. There might be a lot of good like celebrities and stuff there. So we'll see. Overall, it's just a cool experience for me because I haven't been back to the mainland in like years. And if you guys are at Complexcon, be sure to come by, say what's up. Definitely want to meet all you guys that are going to be at the event, so that'll be fun. Anyway, like I was saying, if you guys are from the West Coast, let me know what else there is to do in LA. I will be there for like about a week, so I need to find a lot of other stuff to do other than just the convention. So anyway, thank you guys again for watching this video, and I will see you guys at Complexcon. But until then, stay humble, stay blessed, take care, guys. I'll see you. Aloha. Shoots!